order to make these beautiful baby shoes, you're gonna need some yarn, a 16 gauge needle, scissors, plastic canvas, and laces. This is a very good craft for people who are unemployed and have nothing but time. You can use that time wisely instead of watching YouTube videos on junk stuff that doesn't make you money, and go and buy these materials. These materials are about $25. All these materials right here you can buy in Joann's, Michael's, or other stores, or even online. This yarn is about $6. I actually spent 12 bucks on both. This yarn right here is gonna make me about 40 shoes. It actually took me 2 sheets just to make 12 shoes, which is not bad. For $1 and you're selling it, and the markup is amazing. The margins on this, you can sell it because guess what? There's always gonna be babies, baby. And that's exactly why the market for baby showers are the ish. This canvas right here alone is very difficult to find. But this is Joann's. As you can see right here, that's the number 1605-7051 is the stock number, and you can see it right there. I'll put that information on the description so you guys can find it, just in case you can't see the number. This you can get for $6, this big pack. These individual sheets you can get for 55 cents. These scissors were $3 at Walmart, but you can also get cheaper scissors for $1 at the dollar store, but you want something that actually cuts. You know, that sounds that extra. And then the needle, that's a 16 gauge needle, and yarn is used for this special needle. That needle right there, for 2 of them, costs about $3 at Joann's. At Michael's, you probably might get them cheaper, but if you know of a fabric store that you could get them for $1, even better. You're also gonna need lace, and these lace were about $4, $1 each. I bought 2 for 1 set of girls and 2 for 1 set of boys. Well, these shoes, my mom taught me how to make them. My mom passed away in 2011. Sometimes it's hard for me to talk about her, but you know, her soul and memory lives in my artwork. I always wanted to show the world my talent, and now I can show the world my mom's true passion. I miss her, and you know, God rest her soul. I used to watch television when I was younger, and she never wanted me to watch TV, so she would call me over and say, "Hey, come over here. I got a baby shower. I need your help." But she wouldn't make them as detailed as this. She would make them with colorful plastic canvas and just go around the border and put little flowers on it and do little nice things. This one is exclusive because I like the front, the toe that I fixed. The toe has to go curvy. My mom's shoe used to go upward, and she used to also make plastic canvas sandals and stuff. Baby girl sandals, baby boy shoes. Never baby boy sandals. She always did yellow, white, pink, or blue. She used to make shoes like this and never sell them. She used to also be a crochet master. She used to make very beautiful quilts, which my sister has, which one day I might show on the channel. But for now, I'm just giving you guys a little sneak peek on how to make money with the craft, especially during these COVID times. It's very hard, you know? Why pay somebody else to make merch when you can make your own stuff and advertise it and put it on the internet and make money? If you know me, you know I don't like middlemen. So it's always best to make your own merch and sell your own stuff. And it's amazing because a lot of people love talent, and this is beautiful. I'm not saying I'm the best, but I'm saying there is talent here, you know, and I like the fact that I can make something out of nothing and sell it, poof, without having a middleman. So it's always good to cut the middleman. I don't like brokers. I don't like commissions. I don't like fees. I don't like people digging their hands in my pocket. I don't like people taking my talent and making a profit off of it when they didn't put blood, sweat, tears, and time and energy, especially time and energy, into doing this. And the hours, you gotta put in the hours, boy. In order to get paid in this country, you gotta put in the hours. And I like putting in the hours in my hustles. And this is just one of the many hustles that I do. You're not gonna get rich making shoes, of course, because you're gonna sell the, you know, these little things. You can't sell them for millions of dollars either, unless you're selling them to, like, you know, one of the Kardashians for like $1 million. Although you can't buy them in a store, they are rare. But yeah, you're not gonna get rich doing this. This is just a quick way to make cash during this pandemic. You know, you can use Etsy platform, you can sell them on eBay, you can sell anywhere you like. As long as, you know, you keep in mind that these little cute things are for someone special, you know, for somebody's welcoming a baby girl or a baby boy. So what I did was, I made a whole bunch of shoes last year. I bought a lot of materials. I was overcharged. They charged me $1 for this bad boy, each sheet. So I spent like $10 and I made good shoes. Like I made Nike style shoes and I actually sold them. I sold about four shoes. I would make one shoe in 5 hours and I would sell them for $35. So I got to buy all this material right here, as you can see, with one sell of one shoe, which was $25. I'm going to flip this and sell it for about $60 as a set. I like to invest money, and as you guys know, I'll take the profits from here. I'll sell these shoes on Etsy. I'll take the profits and I'll invest them into Coca-Cola. Buy one share at least, and just live off the dividends for the rest of my life. That's how you invest. I wouldn't have bought all of this if I didn't buy the plastic canvas last year and did the shoes, the Nike shoes. And now the magic. Bam! These are the shoes. You got your off-white blue. Very beautiful shoe. I made this shoe last year when the off-white came out. That's the blue. I have the white off-white, which is very cool because I actually went in and I bought all these colors to make these shoes. I tried to do a Travis Scott. I sold that Travis Scott right there and I bought all this material to keep making the shoe. But this shoe right here is what it looked like. But since they didn't have the green, I put gray instead because it's all I could find for now. And then I went to Michael's and I bought the real one. Then you have the unions. Bam! This is the red union with the laces. And then you have the blue union. Bam! This is a very cool shoe. These are real shoes actually, by the way. They have real ones. And then this is the exclusive. This shoe usually goes for $4,000, the real shoe. And this is just a replica of a beautiful off-white shoe. These are all for sale on my Etsy page. I will leave that link in the description. And then you have the Chicago. These are all Jordan 1s, all Jordan 1s. And then here I have another union, LA union. Usually these will go together, but I don't sell them together. I sell them individually. And then I have a royal, which I didn't really like the way the black came out too much here on this one. But it's a good shoe. These are actually for the car as ornaments. You can put Smell Good in here or just hang them up so it could look cool while they hang from the mirror while you drive. For those sneaker enthusiasts, they didn't sell too hard because I didn't advertise them as much, but these are very cool. It takes about 5 hours to make this shoe. This one in particular took me a little bit longer, but I like this shoe. As you can see, we have the 12 shoes. We're gonna finish them up and then I'll show you the final product. Very beautiful shoes. Let's go ahead and put them on Etsy. Obviously, I am an entrepreneur, you know what I'm saying? I only tell you how to get it and where to get it and how to do it and the time it takes. I don't show you exactly how to make it because it takes too long and I don't like time-lapsing on my videos because it always has that sound. You have it. If you guys found this video interesting and want to see more like it, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press that like button. Thank you for watching. Until next time.